how to fix link direct open on browser or problem solved. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of links opening directly in a browser instead of the intended app or platform. Whether it's happening on your phone or computer, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's identify the problem. If you click on a link on your phone or computer and it opens a browser when you expected it to open in an app, like opening a YouTube link in a Chrome instead of the YouTube app, that's the issue we're going to fix. Now, if you're on Android, go to Settings and on Apps and tap on the app you want to fix. Look for the Open by Default section. If you want links to open it app directly, make sure it's set to open supported links. Now on the iPhone, the process is a bit different. Go to Settings. Now scroll down to the app that you want to adjust. Let's say TikTok. Now look for an option that says Default Browser App or similar. For links that are supposed to open in specific apps, you'll want to make sure that app is set as the default. Now, if the app settings are causing an issue, you may need to reset link handling. On Android, simply tap Clear Defaults if it's selected. On iPhone, you can simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to reset any default link preferences. Now, make sure your both apps and browsers are updated. Sometimes outdated apps or browsers can cause compatibility issues. And once you've made the changes, simply test it, and that's it. You successfully find and fix the issue of links opening directly in a browser instead of the intended